morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Purwokerto City. Before I explain to you all further about our tour for today, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Endastiani. You can call me Isenda. As your tour guide for today from Andreas Tour Agency. And in today's tour, we have Mr. Fahrul as our bus driver. The place we will visit today is Baturaden Park. Baturaden is one of the villages that must be visited if you are on vacation in the city of Purwokerto. One of them is Lokawisata Baturaden. Baturaden tourist location is located on the southern slopes of Mountain Slamet, Banyumas Regency, Central Java, approximately 640 meters above sea level and 6 kilometers from the peak of Mountain Slamet. About 14 kilometers from the north of the city of Purwokerto. Baturaden tourist location is not too far from the city center, which is only about 15 kilometers or about 15 minutes drive. These tourists at this location. The swimming pool at the Baturaden Banyumas tourist site is on the left and can be enjoyed by visitors who don't want to bathe in the Kumawang River but can still feel the freshness of the cold mountain water. A big orange bridge can be seen in the middle, stretching over the Kumawang River. Even this year, the Baturaden Lokawisata again presents new rides in the form of a zip bike or hanging bike and swing mountain to welcome tourists during this year's Eid holiday. You can take a selfie with the beautiful view of Baturaden. There are also facilities such as a swimming pool, stage and shelter for visitors if they want to rest or if it rains. After we visit Baturaden, we will rest and have lunch at Table 9 Purwokerto. Any questions? If you have nothing to ask, I wish you a happy trip and enjoy your trip. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye. Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Now we have arrived at the first location, namely the Kumawang River. You can see it's beautiful, cool, and the water is clear. In the park area of the Baturaden tourist area on the banks of the Kumawang River. Several mats are provided for rent for families who will have a picnic in this place. In addition, some corners of the park that are still empty can be used for picnic for families of or group of people who bring their own mats and provisions. Kaya wahana wisata the park used for picnics is quite well maintained and clean. Some of the flower plants planted are thriving and some are blooming so that they show their beauty. Around the eye you can see the view of the hills, among which there are a number of arenas and objects that can be enjoyed. The Kumawang River itself has an attraction where there are people who dare to jump from a 15-meter high rock. Please, who want to swim or enjoy the water of Kumawang River. Don't go too far, guys. Enjoy. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now we are in the next destination, is the culinary destination. For the culinary destination today, we will go to Kreh Lodeh Resto Purwokerto. One more hangout that is currently becoming more and more trendy in Purwokerto, fun, exciting, make you feel, and for sure the taste of the food spoils our tongue and stomach. Kreh Lodeh restaurant with natural nuances with a variety of mainstay menus. The location is only about 10 minutes from the Purwokerto Square. From Unsud to the north about 1.5 kilometers. Precisely on Jalan Muhammad Besar, Number 1 Hamlet 2 Prompong Kutasari, Baturaden, Banyumas. This restaurant has an amazing view just like a painting. The backdrop of the splendor of Mount Slamet combined with the decoration of the vast expanse of rice fields makes the view of this restaurant so stunning. As far as the eye can see, the beauty of the green color of the rice fields makes the atmosphere of our minds calmer and more comfortable. With a lot enough parking area so that if many groups arrive, you don't have to worry about parking the vehicle. Yups, Kreh Lodeh restaurant in Purwokerto is indeed a fun hangout for both family and friends and acquaintances. A series of tantalizing menu are ready to eat. There are mangut lele pedas, mangut pedas garang asam, serundeng Kreh Lodeh, entok goreng serundeng Kreh Lodeh, ayam Kreh Lodeh, sayur gulai nangka pedas, sayur lodeh, sayur megono. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so please enjoy your time here in Kreh Lodeh Resto Purwokerto. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. For the next destination, we will visit natural attractions that are still in the Baturaden area, namely the natural tourism of the Pancuran Pitu Baturaden. Pancuran Pitu is one of the tourist area located in the Baturaden local wisata environment. It's a source of geothermal water that radiates directly from the foot of Mount Slamet that comes out through 7 shower or holes. This tour, which is located on the slopes of Mount Slamet, releases hot water containing sulfur. Sulfur hot water is believed to cure skin diseases, so many tourists come to take a hot bath here. Attractiveness. The main attraction of Pancuran Pitu is its unique, where the water is released touch 7 pipes, is believed to have good properties for the skin. In addition, nature which is said to be still virgin is suitable for releasing tired of working back to nature. Nature with hot sulfur spring is also suitable for people who want to capture memories in the camera. The view at the foot of Mount Slamet, one of Indonesia, rings of fire. Indeed not wrong if it is immortalized. This is our journey today. Hopefully, all can feel happiness. Thank you very much for today and see you later. Bye bye. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. For the next destination, we will visit a religious tourist spot. In this time, we will visit to Masjid Nur Sulaiman, Banyumas. Okay, let's check it out. Getting to know the cultural heritage of the Masjid Agung Nur Sulaiman, Banyumas. Masjid Agung Nur Sulaiman, Banyumas is one of the cultural heritage buildings in Banyumas Regency, which was registered by the Central Java Archaeological Heritage Preservation Center in 2004. The building is a historical relic that was built when the district capital was still in Banyumas or before it was moved to Purwokerto. Masjid Agung Nur Sulaiman is estimated to have been built after the construction of the Balai Sipanji Pavilion. The mosque building is a typical Banyumas building in the shape of a pyramid. One of the highlights of the Great Mosque of Nur Sulaiman is the mihrab roof or the Imam's room, which is separate from the roof of the main building. Usually the roof of the mihrab becomes one with the main building, but in this mosque it is separate. The mihrab rooms has its own roof. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, enough to get here for today's religious tour. Thank you for everything and see you next time. Bye bye. Okay everyone, hopefully all in a good condition and always happy. On behalf of Andrea Tour Agency, thank you very much for trusting us to use our services. We hope that all of you enjoy your tour in Purwokerto. Some of the tourist sites that we have visited include, we have visited the Baturaden Lokawisata. Next we visit the Pancuran Pitu Baturaden. Then we culinary at Gerah Rodeh Restaurant Purwokerto. And lastly, for religious tourism, we visited Masjid Agung Nur Sulaiman, Banyumas. That's our tour this time in the Purwokerto area. I hope you have a pleasant trip and thank you for trusting us to use Andrea Tour for your trip. Sorry for all our mistakes and see you again at another time and opportunity. Thank you very much.